Welcome to the advanced guide to the Betterment iOS app, a comprehensive investment management tool designed to help you achieve your financial goals. To get started, download and install the Betterment app from the App Store. Once installed, create an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also be asked to provide financial information, including your income, expenses, and investment goals. The app is divided into several sections, including the dashboard, accounts, and investments. The dashboard provides an overview of your investment portfolio, including your total balance, returns, and allocation. The accounts section allows you to link external accounts, such as your bank account or other investment accounts, to track your overall financial situation. To invest with Betterment, navigate to the Investments section and select the type of account you want to create, such as a taxable brokerage account or a retirement account. You will then be asked to choose your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Based on your input, Betterment will create a personalized investment portfolio, allocating your funds across a range of low-cost index funds. One of the key features of the Betterment app is tax loss harvesting, which helps to minimize your tax liability by offsetting capital gains with losses. The app also offers automatic rebalancing, which ensures that your portfolio remains aligned with your target allocation over time. To get the most out of the Betterment app, it is essential to set clear investment goals and regularly review your portfolio. You can also take advantage of the app's educational resources, including articles and videos, to improve your investment knowledge and stay up to date with market trends. In terms of security, the Betterment app uses robust encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your account and personal information. The app is also registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and is a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and resources, you can use the Betterment iOS app to create a personalized investment portfolio, minimize taxes, and achieve your long-term financial goals. With its user-friendly interface and advanced investment tools, the Betterment app is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced investors.